We are in Microsoft Word, and we're going to see how Copilot can help you write an email from some unstructured bulleted information. In my example, I want to send a follow-up email to our team attending an AI Tech conference. I have location and the dates, and then I have several bullet points that I want included in my email. I personally love Word because it really is a blank canvas, and all I have to worry about is doing very quick stream of conscious kind of typing and information that I want included. I don't have to worry about the formatting or the writing structure. I just make sure that I have all the information included via bullet points. Then Copilot's going to come and help me craft that email. It's really saving, again, a lot of time here. So I have my bullet points. I could certainly go up to Copilot here in the top ribbon and pull up my side pane and enter my prompt. I am actually going to work in the document this time, and the difference is in the side pane, anything output by Copilot is going to stay in the side pane, which means I need to copy and paste. If I use Copilot in the document, it's going to create copy and put it in my document, which I find just a little bit faster. So I'm going to highlight my information. And we have the Copilot icon. I click on that. And here I have my prompting box. So I'm going to say, write a friendly but clear email to our team attending the AI Tech conference using these bullet points and information as a guide. So in any good prompt, it's always, what is the goal? The goal is to write an email. What's the style and tone? I want it to be friendly but clear. What's the email about? It's for the team attending the AI Tech conference, and I'll fix my typo there. And what's the source information that the AI is pulling from? What's Copilot pulling from? It's pulling from these bullet points and the information as guide. So I'm going to submit my prompt. And within a few seconds here, it's going to create an email for me. So we can see how quickly it does it. So I'm going to hit keep it. And 99% of the time, Copilot loves to start any email with, I hope this message finds you well. We know it's a cliche. I just automatically delete that. I don't want that in there. So as we gear up for the Tech Expo, I wanted to share some key information. We have some bullet points here, dress code, next meeting, and then a closing kind of paragraph here. I will go through, just quickly add some spacing, but overall, it looks like a great email. I'm going to go back up this subject line I want some help with. So I'm going to say, create a more engaging subject line for the email. And I'm going to enter my prompt, and it's going to come back, ready, set, innovate, final prep for the NYC AI Tech Expo. I think that's a little too informal. Make it more formal. Let's see what it does. So again, here I'm just talking and working with Copilot. Okay, final preparations for NYC AI Tech Expo. I think that sounds much more professional, so we're going to keep it. Now here we have all of our information. So before you cut and copy and put that in Outlook, please go through and make sure everything that Copilot has written is correct. It's always up to you as the human to verify the information Copilot creates. But you can quickly see going from unstructured bulleted points into an email is very quick, very fast with the help of Copilot. So try it today.